Some friends of mine are organizing a garage sale, and if everything goes well, I will be there too, selling some doubles and some stuff I don't want anymore. So it's basically for a 3-inch and 1/64 scale diecast. It's on Sunday, 10 September 2023 from 11 in the morning till 1 in the afternoon. Won't be any problem if you arrive there a little bit earlier. This is the address. It's obviously in Belgium. I don't know why I put this in English, because I assume that there's nobody coming from abroad. So it's basically going to be a local thing, I guess. But anyways, I went there last year and I found quite a lot of stuff. So I will link that video of what I found there at the end of this video. So if you want to do a meet and greet with me, or just want to know what I look like, now is your one and only chance, because I will never ever show my face on YouTube. But on the other hand, I cannot imagine why anyone would want to know what I look like or even meet me. But anyways, give you an idea of what I got for sale here. So basically, vehicles that have opening or moving parts will be €2, and then vehicles that do not have those features will be €1. So these are the opening parts or moving parts majorettes. So these will be €2. And then here's the non-opening parts ones. So these will be €1. Here's some more expensive stuff. This will be €5 for a Hot Wheels Premium and a Greenlight Chase. Some mostly non-opening parts ones, so €1 also. These are opening parts ones, so these are €2. It's two floors in this carry truck by Majorette. I'm not sure what I would ask for this one. Kind of have people bidding, I guess. Some Matchbox with the opening parts here, €2 for those. So these are all loose cars, mostly Hot Wheels and Matchbox. There's a few Siku in here and some Burago and some RMZ City. So these are all €1. There's a little bit of everything in here. Miscellaneous stuff. This is one of my favorites, but it's a double. Yeah, some cool Porsches in here, definitely. A lot of stuff from 9 packs and all kinds of vehicles. This is a Welly. Mostly European stuff, some Japanese stuff, and very little American. Older one, Matchbox, but the nozzle has broken off on this. This is also an older Matchbox. Well, not that old, but you know. There's a Burago Porsche. And then I will have some carded stuff too. Most of them will be €1.50. So a bunch of Siku here on the left, a bunch of Hot Wheels on the right. There's some Hot Wheels Premium there. Those will be €5 each. Some Maisto. I guess those will be €1 each. Some Welly. €1 or €2, not sure. There's even a Schuko in there. Some Hot Wheels monster trucks, 2, and some Norev in here. A few Norev, all carded. So yeah, I hope you can make it with the dates in your agenda. There will be, I think, four sellers in total. So not that many. So don't get your hopes up too high. But if you click on the link of the video you see now, you will see that I was able to find a bunch of stuff there last year. So maybe it's worth coming over anyway. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you then. Bye.